What'd you just
Hey,
do?
Pumpkin.
Is that your poopy look? Is that your poopy look?
Hey.
You had a really funny poopy look. Yeah.
What did you just do in your pants? What did
You
you
had
just do in
such a
your
cute
pants?
little poopy look. Yeah. You can give us another one?
Yeah! Feeling good.
You got any more in there? I'm sorry. It's just funny.
What is in there?
You adore Mommy, don't you?
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah, feeling good. Oh.
You got more?
Squeeze it out,
Well,
babe.
let's get it all out now.
Squeeze it out, babe.
None of this 3-4 diaper stuff.
Yeah. You good? Oh, I think we might be working another one out.
What do you think? Oh, are we working out a cry?
Getting uncomfortable down there.
You're getting juicy.
Yeah. Kind of swampy in the pants.
Wow. Do you feel so much better? Yeah. Yeah.